Eastern Sampson County, Eastern Harnett County, Northern Cumberland County, Southwestern Johnston County, until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located 9 miles. The National Weather Service in Raleigh Sampson County in central North Carolina, Eastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, Northern Cumberland County in central North Carolina.
We work on a business.
Johnston County in central North Carolina until 7 p.m. In Irwin, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a thunderstorm warning until 7 p.m. for the following counties. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 6:15 p.m., a cluster of thunderstorms were located 9 miles west of Johnston. To roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Millington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Godwin, Hope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, and Irwin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.